Today, I'll be diving into my honest experience with Microsoft Azure, a cloud computing platform that's often considered one of the big players in the market alongside AWS and Google Cloud. As a powerful tool for businesses and developers alike, it's crucial to understand how it performs, its features, and what it truly offers. Let's start with the interface. The dashboard is clean and relatively easy to navigate, though it can feel overwhelming at first, especially for beginners. Once you get the hang of it, the layout offers a lot of customization options, but the learning curve can be steep. If you're new to Azure or cloud services in general, you might find it challenging to get started without some guidance. The documentation is pretty extensive, which can be helpful, but it's not always as beginner-friendly as I'd like. When it comes to the variety of services offered, Microsoft Azure is vast. You've got everything from cloud storage, virtual machines, to more specialized tools like AI and machine learning services. The sheer breadth of options is impressive, but it can also be a bit overwhelming if you don't know exactly what you're looking for. There's no doubt that Azure is capable of handling enterprise-level applications, and it shines in areas like virtual networking, security, and hybrid cloud solutions. However, if you're just looking for a simple cloud hosting solution, you might feel like it's a bit too much for your needs. Pricing is always a major consideration when choosing a cloud provider, and Microsoft Azure is no different. The pricing structure is complex, with pay-as-you-go models and a variety of services that each have their own pricing tiers. One thing to keep in mind is that while Azure can be cost-effective for large enterprises, it can become quite expensive for smaller users or startups who might not be able to fully leverage its capabilities. If you're on a tight budget, make sure to carefully monitor your usage to avoid surprises when the bill comes. Now, let's talk about performance. In my experience, Azure has been very reliable. The uptime has been solid, and when it comes to scalability, it's hard to beat. If you need to quickly scale up your resources, Azure handles that well. But, like many cloud platforms, performance can vary depending on your region and specific service usage. So, it's something to keep an eye on. Another key aspect is security. Microsoft Azure offers robust security measures, including encryption, identity management, and compliance with various industry standards. This is a major advantage for businesses that prioritize data protection and need to meet specific regulatory requirements. For individual users or smaller companies, these features might seem like overkill, but for large enterprises, it's definitely a strong point. There are many useful links you can find in the description. These resources will give you a deeper look into Microsoft Azure's features and pricing options. Overall, Microsoft Azure is a powerful platform with a lot of potential. It's ideal for large enterprises, developers, or anyone who needs advanced cloud services and tools. However, if you're a small business or individual looking for something simple, the learning curve and pricing structure may make Azure less appealing. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews and insights into tech platforms. Your feedback helps me improve future content.